Hi everyone, welcome back to another update to another AI entrepreneurship journey episode. So it's been 6 months so far. This is the sixth month, and I realized that the past few months I haven't really been doing like legitimate AI automation projects. So for this month, I've actually successfully created three projects which I want to showcase today. And the rationale that I came up with this kind of projects is because right now I'm doing an internship in a sales position, and I realize there's a lot of these manual tasks which can be automated. So that's why I came up with these three AI projects which can be tied together into one automated sales workflow. So without further ado, here is some of my AI projects so far. So here are my AI automation projects. So as you can see, I've been using make.com, which is an AI automation platform that everyone can use. I feel this is a very useful platform, not only to do your own projects, but also if you want to do your AI automation business as well. So as you can see, I've done a few projects by myself. I just follow a few tutorials and do some self-study in order to create these projects. So for some of the projects that I want to showcase is first is my CRM email inbound system. Second is my cold call list generator. And lastly is my cold email automation system. So without further ado, this is my first project, my CRM email system. So for this, I was thinking perhaps some companies they create some advertising or for digital marketing, and they make an inquiry to their landing page or whatever contact form that they use. So this is just an example. I just use Google Forms as the main form of inquiry contact form, but definitely there can be other contact forms that you can be used. But for Google Form, it's just the easiest thing to use for now. And after that, we'll go straight to the form itself. Let's say the scenario is I'm a AI automation business, and another business owner is interested in AI automations. So let's say the person's name is Bob, and I'll just send to my personal email so you can see the email that you receive. And let's say his budget is more than 1K, and for the message, usually perhaps the person will put his company's website, but for this I'll just put google.com. Then you submit. So when it's submitted, all you have to do is just to click this one button, run once. So immediately it goes to the contact sheet which I link to, and also sends an email. So first we look at the contact sheet. As you can see, all the information is displayed here, and also it will tell you the time that the lead got contacted. And for now, I use email as the main form of contact, and you can straight away look at the email. So I just go to my personal email. As you can see over here, dear Bob, I hope you're doing well. We just received an inquiry regarding the AI automations. Then usually you set an appointment. For this, I will also try to implement a calendar system where you can quickly book an appointment through the calendar system. But for now, it's just through an email, and the person can reply to this email straight away. So yeah, so this is a system where you can easily make a first contact with the person who made the inquiry, because in my current job, I realized you get the inbound lead and you have to make a call to them to set the appointment, which is also effective, but it still takes quite a while. Sometimes there's some delay as they make the inquiry perhaps in early in the morning or after working hours, and because of that the lead may get cold. So in order to prevent that, this AI automation system will help immediately contact the person and set an appointment with them without further delay. So that's why I will try to input another form of contact, for example WhatsApp or SMS, to enhance this project even further. So yeah, so this is my CRM email system. So moving forward, I'll go on to my lead generation system. So the main flow is the one above. The basic concept is basically you scrape the company website and number from Google Maps. So because being an intern in my current job, my main form of lead generation system is manually scrape from Google directory and get the website, the name, and the number. After that, I'll go search the website online and scrape the email and other information like Instagram and Facebook of the company. So after you scrape the information from Google Maps, you also scrape the information from the website, and after that, everything will be input into your Google Sheets. Let's say I'm searching for home automation companies in Singapore. So let's save that and let's run once. As you can see over here, it generated the leads from Google Maps. So it generated the company name, website, and number. After that, you'll retrieve using my web scraper API, retrieve the Facebook, Instagram, and email. And over here, you can see automatically you'll also generate these check boxes to indicate whether you have emailed this company or not. You just go back to make.com, you can see from Google Maps API, data places, and you can see that it's Kobo. Then second, HAP. Imagine you can generate hundreds or thousands of cold leads that you can do to create your email list, to your cold call list, so that you can have a higher chance of setting an appointment with your clients. So this is another AI project that I've done so far. Moving on, I'll be showing you my cold email automation system. So for this, we'll be using the same leads that we retrieve from our lead generation system. And just for this example, I'll just input my personal email so that you can see on the receiver's point of view. So for this, you can see the entire leads and we'll go straight to our core email automation. So for this, I use webmail as the main email system because most companies actually use webmail. And the main logic for this is you basically retrieve the email from the Google Sheets and you also download, let's say, the document you want to put into your email as well. And we just click here into the email module. It's all personalized because you include the company's name and also you set the time and date to set the appointment. So all you need to do is just press this button once. Then you just have to wait until the entire automation is complete. So now the automation is complete until the very end. First, we like to see your Google Sheets. As you can see, the checkbox for here is updated and you also receive the date that the first email is sent to keep track on your emails sending. Yeah, so as you can see here, I received the email from my email automation system. So it includes a personalized email from this name, then a quick introduction of my company, what we can do for you, and you set an appointment. So this is what we can do through AI automations. This is the main 3 AI automation projects I've done so far: cold call list generator, cold emails, a CRM system, and for the future projects, I want to focus on WhatsApp because I feel WhatsApp is also a big marketing touch point that you can use for outbound and inbound as well, because most people use WhatsApp, so I feel there's a lot of potential in that. Yeah, so thanks for watching my AI automation project video. I'm really proud of what I've done so far this month, and I really feel there's a lot of potential in this AI automation industry because I really believe there's many different parts of like the company's workflow can be definitely be automated and at a lower cost at the same time, because I'm sure that a lot of these businesses hire like cheaper labor or even some interns to do their work for them. But in this case, let's say there's this AI automation for them, I truly believe it could be a breakthrough and be something very useful for the company in the long run. If anyone has any interest in this kind of automations or even want me to teach them how to do it, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. Or let's say if you are a business owner yourself and interested in diving into AI automations into your company's workflow, feel free to reach out to me on LinkedIn. I'll definitely do some proposals or communicate with you through there. So thank you all for watching this video, and looking forward to the next video next month.